Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna take it to another level, a little bit different. And guys, you know, say me do everything I vlog about this, I cook about that. And now guys, this is something that is very affordable, and I'm gonna tell you how you can shop cheap for name brand stuff and it turn out good and nice, you know what I mean? Let's get this video on the road. Okay, so this video is all about my Panty collection. Now this collection has Victoria's Secret, Reebok, some cheap name brand stuff, and La Zenza. I shop online as well. So this is just part one of many more collections to come. So let me show you up close and personal. So my peeps, let's start right here. I have these beautiful panties right here, sir. And guys, I have a pink one, and then I always buy them in 3s or 6. So I got these. I think they come in 4, and I think I have, there's one I can't put here because I wore that one already. So these are new, guys. All of these are new. No put them on at all, okay? Just remember that them clean. All right, guys. All right, so these come, I think I bought these local, and I think 4 came in the pack. A pack of 4 for $9.99, and I think I got these at a store here called Giant Tiger. So 4 for $9.99 plus tax. So you get 4. They are comfy, stretchable, good for full-size people. You know, it cover all the areas that need to be covered. And guys, let me move that first. Here I have 2 more. And I can't remember where I get these. Maybe, I think I got these maybe at Winners. And this one says, woke up in paradise. You know, so we are talking about Jamaica right here, so. Because Jamaica, paradise with all that lovely coconut tree and the sunshine. All bling bling and the pink, good for the ladies. So this is also good for a Valentine's gift. Yes. This is also good for a Valentine's gift. Look at it. Very comfy, very soft. And the material is very stretchable. So this is loaded with comfort. So that's right there. So I really love it. This is one of my favorite. Oh, guys, yes. I think this one came with this one. Feeling Flawless. I think so. I think it comes with it. I think this is a set, not this one. This one comes with a different one that I wore before. This one I got at Giant Tiger, and I think I paid 3 for $12. But this one, I think it comes with this one. Feeling Flawless, and then this one says woke up in paradise. So I think that's the set right there. Very beautiful. And then you come to the Reebok, and then I have those 2, and I pay like $14.99 or $16.99 for 2. So when you buy them in 2 or 4 or 6, you get them a little bit cheaper. And so guys, move on right over to these 3. They are a little bit more revealing, so I hide them somewhat, but they are Victoria's Secret, as you can see the name on it. Too much revealing, so let them stay right there. So, and here guys, I have this one come on to Valentine's. It's very nice. It comes with the top, but I won't show the top right now, guys. And this one is just a white one, and I think I got this one online. So these are 2 here, and these come, I think they came in the sets of 3, black, white, and I think something blue or green. And I got them online. And then, you know, Valentine's is coming on, so you need your red and white. Beautiful for Valentine's. And here guys, I have these 2 I got also from Winners, and I think I pay $12.99 for both. Just have to buy in pairs of 2 or 3, even 6, and then you get it cheaper. And please look for the sale and the discount. Okay guys, now we're moving on to the final 2. And guys, these 2 I picked them up at a store here in Canada, and these are really beautiful and nice. And this one is so beautiful. I love the green, and the pink is beautiful. It covers your entire hip area, you know what I mean? So look at them guys, they're so beautiful. So guys, I'm not gonna keep you long because I want you to see all of my undies or my underwears or panty, wherever or however you want to call it. So my peeps, this is the final result. So this is part 1, and look out for part 2. This video was well long time in the making, and it's an anticipating video. So guys, this is it again. All right, right here, so put them together. Yeah, so this is part 1 of my Woke Up in Paradise pink Victoria's Secret, Reebok, and just some local brand panty collection. And there will be many more to come, and I will also do a bra collection of many parts. Okay guys, all right, please love upon me and I love upon you, and put God first. This is very cheap and affordable. Mwah. Bye guys.